So let's look at the feminine nouns. Now, if you go to buy something, let's say you go to a supermarket now or a restaurant, they are going to give you a bill, right? And that bill is called l'addition. L'addition. The bill is called l'addition. That is bill, like the price, like the check. Okay, your bill is l'addition. Okay. Now, if you go to a library to read, all right, so you talk about la bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. La bibliothèque. Now, your bedroom is your la chambre, because it's your room, la chambre. La chambre. Your house or your home is la maison. La maison. If you talk about your health, so you're talking about la santé. La santé, which is health. Talk about the week, talk about la semaine. La semaine. La semaine. When we talk about party or evening, we say la soirée. La soirée. When we talk about city, we say la ville. La ville. La ville d'Ibadan. La ville de Lagos. La ville d'Abuja. Okay. We talk about car, we say la voiture. Car. So you have a car, then you have la voiture. Music sounds the same as music, but we have la musique. La musique. A play is called la pièce. La pièce. La pièce. Beach. You go to a beach, that means tu vas à la plage. You're going to a beach. La plage. La plage. Door. The door of any house is called la porte. La porte. Like ouvre la porte. Open the door. Fermez la porte. Close the door. Question. Question is question, like question in English. Question. La question. Talk about classroom, we say la salle de classe. La salle de classe. Now, bathroom, we give you la salle de bain. La salle de bain. We want to talk about toilet. What do you say? Les toilettes. Or restroom. Les toilettes. Les toilettes. OI sounds wa. When you talk about bookstore, you have la librairie. Librairie. La librairie. La librairie. That is what you're going to have. Now, la librairie is a bookstore. La bibliothèque is a library. There's a difference. A sentence in French is seen as la phrase. La phrase. La phrase is a sentence. Again, you can talk about church. Say l'église. 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 School is l'école. L'école. Letter is la lettre. La lettre. S'il y a une guerre, if there is a war is guerre. La guerre. That is war. Again, you can have la fête. La fête is party. You have this popular song, c'est le moment de faire la fête. La fête, party. Fêter, le verbe fêter also means to celebrate. Okay, il faut fêter. Il faut faire la fête. Like, let's celebrate. We have la clé. La clé is key. La clé, key. We can also have